Flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today I'm here to make a flower girl basket with you. Anyway, this basket I got from Moscatel's, which is Michael's wholesale store. So you should be able to find it in Michael's. I only paid like $1 for it, but it was after Easter. And then we have some Trader Joe flowers. I did have some ribbon, some lavender ribbon, and then we have our shears and our knife, which you can find on my website, which is exquisitefloralsupply.com. And then we have some flowers from Trader Joe's. Oh, and our floral foam, which you can also get on there, and a little bit of wax paper. So this is wax paper that you would use for bouquets and stuff. But you guys, I usually use, what is it called? That clear foam stuff for like wrapping. Was it clear wrapping paper or a cello paper? I usually use that to line it, but I don't feel like looking for it right now. So we're going to take our foam. We're just going to kind of guess, and you know what? It's perfectly sized. It's 2/3 of an actual floral foam. We're going to put it in our water to soak for a few minutes. Okay, so she's nice and wet, and I'm going to make sure. Let's see. I'm just going to press her down, and then let's get a knife. Let's get scissors and just cut access. Okay, so now we have that all together. Now we're going to take our base flowers, which they only gave me one, and you know our base flowers are what are really low. So I'm going to use that as my base, as well as I have some lavender mums. And basically all our base does is kind of cover up some of our lovely foam, so we don't have so much of foam that has to be covered. And all I'm doing is just pushing it in, you know, tightly on here, cutting at an angle. So I usually use, if you watched some of my earlier videos, I usually use carnations as a base because they're so inexpensive. I love carnations. I know some people feel like they're a cheap flower. I think they're so contemporary and pretty. But so we kind of have our base flowers, and those are just the ones that we kind of tuck in really closely. Now that we have our base, we're going to take our focal, and if you saw the video before, you saw how I kind of flex these, and I'm just going to kind of tuck those in and put those in some of my hollow spots, high and low. Let's see, I think I'm going to put her right high up right there, and let's put her, let's put her right there. Let's stick this one just a little bit more right there. So we have that together. Now we're going to take some of our additional flowers, and we're just going to put them in spaces to kind of our fillers. We're just going to take our filler flowers, kind of put them in different spots. We wanted to make it look like our flower girl is carrying just a beautiful bouquet of, I want you guys to be able to see that, a beautiful bouquet of flowers. That we just freshly went out and picked for her. and we just put them lovely inside of her basket for her to carry. Then we're gonna take our dianthus and we're just gonna put those in some of the areas where we can still see the foam. So I want you guys to be able to see this. And yeah, okay, then we're going to take some of, I have some, this is called chocolate, which has a burgundy tone, Queens and lace, that I'm going to tuck in at the very top and put some right here. And I think I'm going to stick some, because I see a hollow spot right. You guys see her right there. So let's look, make sure it's balanced. On the back. And then I'm going to just take a few more of, that have some seeded and some silver dollar, and I'm just going to try to incorporate it into some of my areas that need a little help. And then I have a few pieces of lemon leaf. I want to make sure you guys can see. I just put the lemon leaf in here. And there we go, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are not a member, go over and join my membership. I'll show you how to flex roses, teach you all about some of the, how I made a floral refrigerator out of a shed. What else I teach you guys? What else? There's a whole list of stuff. Go over there, check it out. Join, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.